5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ladies and gentlemen, and as you will see here, we have 3 Tasmanians there on tree number 2 from Deloraine, Matthew Gurr. Tree number 3, we've got Joshua Bates from Sheffield. From tree number 4, Riley Asheen from Zeehan, Tasmania. And as it has it, with a lot of historical history, it all started in Tasmania with a couple of fellas daring after a few refreshments to climb a tree. So in the hometowns of the starting of the tree with Tasmanians, we've got 3 of them in this event. We've got Mitchell Hewitt from Gurr up in Queensland, tree number 1. Further down to that we do have Mitchell Scrivener on tree number 5 from Hewitt here in New South Wales. And then we've got Matthew Coffey down on tree number 7 from Victoria. And we've also got Jake Hewitt from Canada, British Columbia on tree number 8. Now just watch us go through this tree and watch the determination into the back of the tree already. We've got Jake Hewitt down on tree number 8. And you'll see as they put all the emphasis on that springboard and the little metal tongue that holds them there up onto the board, all it does is give them the leverage and the ability to put their shoulders and really go for it. As we see with Matthew Coffey on tree number 7 starting to drive to the back of the block. Watch number 5 as well, Mitchell Scrivener starting to do his drive for home. Now the Tasmanians there, as you see, Riley Shee in tree number 4, Joshua Bates tree number 3, Matthew Gurr in tree number 2. Just keep your eye on them as they start to come home down there on number 8 with Jake Hewitt. He'll be happy with that. Number 2 there with Matthew Gurr. Then they start to fall one after the other. Number 5, Mitchell Scrivener. Also Riley Sheen up on the number 1 here with Mitchell Hewitt. There you are, and we will bring home Riley Sheen on tree number 3. We'll bring home Joshua Bates. So let's get behind him.